Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to continue with the chapter Cell, the fundamental unit of life. We'll just quickly revise whatever we have learned. Okay. What do you mean by cell? What is cell? Yes?
The basic unit of life.
Basic unit of life. Anything else? Yes?
It is a functional and structural unit of life.
Very good. So it is the structural and
Functional unit of life.
all our parts like organs are there, hands, heart, liver. The smallest unit is
Cell.
They are made up of
Cell.
right? Now in cell we find this is the 3D model of cell, you can see, right? There are different structures present inside the cell. What are these structures called?
Cell organelles.
Very good, cell organelles. But for answering, raise your hand, right? So there are cell organelles. Now in plants and animals, the same type of cells are not there. There is slight difference. Okay, some structures are found in plant cell which are absent in animal. Some structures are there which are there in animal cell and absent in plant. So in today's class, we are going to study about animal cell, its cell organelles and their function. Today in the previous period, you have prepared the model and the cards. Everyone is having their cards with them? Just show your cards. Okay, fine, very good. So with these cards and the model which you have prepared, model is with me, okay, very good. In 2 periods you completed this model, okay. So we'll start with your presentation and keeping the model here one by one you come and give the presentation.
This is an animal cell, and this is the outermost covering of the animal cell known as the plasma membrane. It is made up of double-layered lipid, and in between there are proteins present.
Its main function is protection and controls the entry and exit of some substances across it.
And that's why it is known as the selectively permeable membrane.
सेल मेम्ब्रेन है एक रक्षक
Cell membrane है एक रक्षक.
सेल मेम्ब्रेन है एक रक्षक
Cell membrane है एक रक्षक.
जैसे स्कूल के गेट पर मौजूद गार्ड सेल में हर एक चीज को आने या नहीं आने देने के लिए वो ही निर्णय लेता है सेल मेम्ब्रेन है एक रक्षक
Cell membrane है एक रक्षक.
सेल मेम्ब्रेन है एक रक्षक
Cell membrane है एक रक्षक.
Inside the plasma membrane, the whole part is known as protoplasm. Protoplasm is having 2 parts, nucleus and cytoplasm, and it contains several cell organelles. Example: mitochondria, Golgi body, ribosomes, etc.
Okay, so these organelles are present in which part?
Cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm. This white part which you observe is
Cytoplasm.
present in the center of animal cells, and this is covered with double membrane called nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane has small pores known as nuclear pores, which help in exchange of materials in between cytoplasm and nucleus.
This round-like structure, this is known as nucleolus. This is chromatin, which is made up of DNA. This water-like substance, this is known as nucleoplasm.
Nucleus, nucleus,
Nucleus, nucleus,
nucleus, nucleus,
nucleus, nucleus,
nucleus है सेल का दिमाग,
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 जो सेल की सारी गतिविधियों को कंट्रोल करता है। न्यूक्लियस सेल में बड़ा ही महत्वपूर्ण रोल निभाता है, जैसे कि एक विद्यालय में प्रिंसिपल का रोल। न्यूक्लियस है सेल का दिमाग,
nucleus है सेल का दिमाग,
न्यूक्लियस है सेल का दिमाग,
nucleus है सेल का दिमाग,
न्यूक्लियस, न्यूक्लियस,
nucleus,
You can see these structures are known as ribosomes. Ribosomes are present in cytoplasm and on the surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum. It performs protein synthesis.
राइबोसोम, राइबोसोम,
ribosome, ribosome,
राइबोसोम, राइबोसोम,
ribosome, ribosome,
राइबोसोम है सेल ऑर्गेनेल,
ribosome है cell organelle,
राइबोसोम है सेल ऑर्गेनेल,
ribosome है cell organelle,
प्रोटीन बनाना है उसका काम,
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 राइबोसोम, राइबोसोम,
ribosome,
Now we are going to discuss about endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum appears rough because it has ribosome attached on its surface, and it helps in protein synthesis. Protein synthesized by rough endoplasmic reticulum is transported to Golgi body for its further processing.
Now we have smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Its main function is to synthesize lipids or fat molecules. Some of these proteins and fat molecules are used to make plasma membranes.
एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम,
endoplasmic reticulum,
एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम,
endoplasmic reticulum,
जो बने हुए प्रोटीन को गोल्गी बॉडी तक पहुंचाता है। एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम,
endoplasmic reticulum,
एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम,
endoplasmic reticulum,
एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम,
endoplasmic reticulum,
एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम,
endoplasmic reticulum.
This is Golgi body, and it is made up of several tubular sac-like structure called cisterns. They receive the protein formed by the endoplasmic reticulum and pack them. After that, they release to the target site.
गोल्गी बॉडी, गोल्गी बॉडी,
Golgi body, Golgi body,
गोल्गी बॉडी, गोल्गी बॉडी,
Golgi body, Golgi body.
तो मिले हुए प्रोटीन को मॉडिफाई कर सुधार कर उसे पैक कर आवश्यकता के अनुसार सेल में रिलीज करता है। गोल्गी बॉडी, गोल्गी बॉडी,
Golgi body, Golgi body,
गोल्गी बॉडी, गोल्गी बॉडी,
because it produces energy to utilize the cells. Mitochondria has two membranes. One is outer membrane, which is smooth, and the inner membrane is folded. And in the space between them, it is called matrix. It has its own genetic material, and it has attached DNA and ribosomes in it.
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria. Mitochondria.
जो पूरे सेल का पावर हाउस है, जिसके एक्टिव होने से ही एनर्जी मिलती है। माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया।
Mitochondria.
माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया।
Mitochondria. Mitochondria.
This is lysosome. If there is any damage in any cell organelle, it digests that organelle, or if there is any damage in the cell, it bursts and digests the cell. That's why it is known as suicidal bag of the cell.
And what is there inside the lysosome that helps in this digestion?
Ma'am, it digests proteins, fats, carbohydrates and lipids.
What is helping in that digestion? What is present inside it?
Digestive enzymes.
Yes. So digestive enzymes, strong, powerful digestive enzymes are present in the lysosome.
Lysosome, lysosome,
Lysosomes, lysosomes,
lysosome,
lysosomes, lysosomes.
जो एक सफाई कर्मचारी का काम करता है। अनावश्यक और खराब हो चुके सेल ऑर्गेनेल को निकालकर सफाई करता है। लाइसोसोम, लाइसोसोम,
Lysosomes, 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 lysosomes.
We are going to discuss about centriole. It present near the nucleus.
Where? Okay.
There are two centrioles, which are like perpendicular to each other. Its main function is it helps in the cell division, and it is only present in animal cells, not in plant cells.
Okay, so remember it is a cell organelle found only in
Animal
cell. Like cell wall is found in plant cell and not in animal cell.
centriole,
Centriole, centriole, centriole, centriole.
जो सेल को डिवाइड होने में हेल्प करता है। सेंट्रियोल, सेंट्रियोल,
Centriole, 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 centriole. So students, a very well presentation done by all of you, and thank you to Music Ma'am. She composed such a beautiful song. I hope you all will remember these functions of all the cell organelles. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So what we have studied today? Animal cell.
ये है
Animal cell. Animal cell.
animal
Animal cells, animal cells, animal cells, animal cells, animal cells, animal Now, your presentation was wonderful, and I hope you must have enjoyed the entire presentation. Yes, ma'am. And आप सबको गाना भी याद हो गया होगा? Yes, ma'am. Okay, so let's quickly revise with some questions, right? Which cell organelle is present in the center of the animal cell? Raise your hands to answer. Yeah.
Nucleus.
Very good. It's nucleus. Okay. Now, what is the purpose of these pores present in the nuclear membrane? Why nucleus is having pores in it? Any one of you? Yeah?
Helps in exchange of materials
Between?
between the nucleus and cytoplasm.
Very good. Clap for her. Okay. So, the nuclear pores, they help in exchange of material between cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. Nucleus में क्या है? Nucleoplasm. Right? And why this chromatin material, we say it is a genetic material. What it is made up of? Yeshi.
And because it transfers genes to one another person and it helps characteristics.
Okay, it controls characteristic. है ना? It is made up of DNA, which is the genetic material, and transfers the characters from one generation to another. Very good. Now, where the proteins, which cell organelle synthesizes protein?
Ribosomes.
Ribosomes. Okay, these are the ribosomes, right?
Yes.
And what is the location of ribosome inside the cell? Meenakshi. Where ribosomes are present inside the cell?
I mean rough endoplasmic reticulum
Yeah, and you can see rough endoplasmic is here. It is there in the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Where else? Yes?
Cytoplasm.
Very good. They are also present freely in the cytoplasm. Free भी है cytoplasm में, and many of them are present on the rough endoplasmic reticulum. That's why, what is the main function of rough endoplasmic reticulum? Arav? Yes? What is the main function of rough endoplasmic reticulum? Yeah?
synthesize proteins.
Very good. Protein synthesis. Okay. Now identify the cell organelle which is present only in animal cell and not in plant cell. Abhishek?
It's centriole.
Centriole. Very good. What is the function of centriole? Ipsa. Centriole function? Very good. It's cell division. Okay. Plasma membrane is made up of which substances? Yeah.
Proteins and
Very good. Proteins and lipids. So what are these things which you have stick to with your? Proteins. Very good. And what these dumbbell-like things? Lipids. How many layers of lipids? Now you know lipids are having, actually they are what? There are two parts. Tail portion is water repelling and head is water loving. That's why they are arranged like this. Okay? Now, packaging of protein takes place in which cell organelle?
Golgi body.
Very good. Golgi body. Tell me, the protein synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum, can the cell utilize that proteins directly?
No, ma'am.
Then?
And it transferred to Golgi body.
And what the Golgi body do?
Golgi body modifies it.
Very good. They require some modification, final change in their structure, modification, packaging. Then they are utilized by the cell. Which cell organelle is called powerhouse of the cell? Yeah?
Mitochondria.
Very good. Now student, as a follow-up activity, what you have to do, you have prepared the model. Now make group and form a digital presentation of this. You can use the photographs of your model and a digital presentation prepare karna hai. In that you have to mention what are the cell organelles, what is their role, okay, and draw the diagram in your notebook also. Fine. Thank you.